Okay, so here is how you're gonna create your animated GIF. It is GIF and not GIF, even though sometimes I call it GIF too, but it's GIF like the peanut butter. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do, I created my new artboard already and I titled it with banana GIF. Now I already have some pre-made bananas that I created earlier using my drawing tablet. So what I'm going to do is just take one of those and show you how I'm going to make it moving. So I added it into my layer. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start duplicating it. What I'm doing is dragging it to the plus layer sign. So that little plus with the box sign in it is just duplicating the layer multiple times. And then I'm moving it around so that when I animate it, it's going to move in these different directions. Now, you don't have to have them all showing. If that distracts you, you can literally hide it with the eyeball, but I have them all showing just so I can kind of see what it's going to do. So I'm just going to move it a bunch, make copies of my layer. That way I can see how my GIF will move. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to click Window at the top, and then I'm going to click Timeline. And then you can see at the bottom, there's a little timeline showing. From there, I'm going to click Create Frame Animation. After that, on the right-hand side underneath the layers, there's like 3 or 4 little lines. Make frames from layers. Once you click that, you'll see now you have a bunch of different frames. For your layers, you want to make sure it says forever. That way it is continuous like a GIF would be. You can see mine's really fast right now. So what I'm going to do is select all of my bananas. All I did was click one and then hold shift and select them all. And I'm just changing it to a little bit longer of a second. That way it's not as fast. And I'm also deleting my first frame because it's blank and I don't actually need that. You could delete the layer when you actually deleted your layers, or you can just click it and hit the trash can and delete that frame. Once I am happy with my GIF, what I'm going to do from there is then I am going to save it. So I'm going to do File, and then I'm going to do Export. Then I'm going to do Save for Web Legacy. So you're going to click that. This should show up. It will show your design. Mine has that checkerboard design because I left it transparent in the background. That way I can put it on anything of a color background and there's not going to be a background showing up. All right. So once you are happy with that, then you can click Save. And now make sure it's titled. Mine is already titled because I named it before. So it says GIF Banana. It's saved on the desktop. So I know where it is. Then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into Google Slides and I'm going to insert into a Google Slide so I can submit it. So what I'm going to do is go to my slides, create a blank slide, and then I'm going to go Insert and then Image, Upload from Computer. I'm going to click GIF Banana and click Open. That way, now I have my GIF on my slide, as you can see. So you can make it way more detailed than this, but this is just the beginning steps of making an animation from your Photoshop design. Enjoy! Okay, so I am going to quickly show you how to merge your layers if you create different shapes and colors of something to animate. So what I'm doing with my banana, I'm just showing you I'm making an outline with the purple. I'm just going to speed this up a little bit, and then I'm going to color it in a little bit with the green. Now, once I have my shapes with the different colors, you see I'm going to have more than one layer, but you only need one layer for each frame. So you want to select both of those layers by clicking one, then holding shift and clicking the other. Then you're going to right click, scroll down, hit merge layers, and now you have it as one layer because you want to have it as one layer for each of your different frames that you're going to use in your animation. So just make sure, if you are wondering what is happening there, that's probably what it is. You just need to merge your layers that are each frame, okay? So think of it more as a frame by frame animation.